Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to show you how to change your TP-Link Wi-Fi name and password. So first of all, connect your mobile phone to your Wi-Fi network and then open any web browser on your phone. I am open the Google Chrome browser. Now enter your router admin panel address in the address bar and search for it. Since I use a TP-Link router, I will enter the TP-Link router admin panel address. As you can see, the TP-Link router login page has opened on my screen. If you use a different router brand, its login page will appear instead. Now we will log in using the router admin password. If you do not know the login password, you can ask the person or internet service provider who set up your Wi-Fi connection. They will provide you with both the username and password. I have entered the password. Now I will click on login button. After login, a page like this will appear on your screen. And here you will see 4 options. At the right side, you will see clients. Tap on it. And here you will see how many people connected with your routers. At the top left side, you will see 3 dots. Tap on it. Now you have to find the wireless and tap on that. And then you will land here. Here you will see your network name. And here you will see your password. Now you change it very easily. After that changes, you have to click on save. Now your Wi-Fi name and password change successful. Thanks for watching this video.